Alright, I got the International hooked up to the 335 John Deere. I'm going to go out here and try to bale up some of this hay. This stuff looks pretty bad. I just want to get it off the field. We'll see how the John Deere does. Bring on the PTO. I'm in low range, third gear, TA low. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get a bale made and then I'll come back. Put all my attention on the baler here for just a minute. Knock on wood, it looks like it's taking the hay. Alright, just made my first bale and took a little more hay than I thought it would, but this is not good as far as being nice and green grass, but it's tight and it tied good, so let me keep going. First time running the round baler on the International, so probably need to spend more attention to the tractor and the baler than the video camera, but that stuff is really dry, but there are spots of really wet, I should say clumps that are on the bottom, so this won't be going in a barn by any stretch. And again, my goal is to get it out, get this hay off the field. I don't know if we're going to get a second cutting with this Teff grass or not. I'll come back. Just dumped another one. I wanted to make sure the wheel on those things were rolling. I've had them where they kind of stuck. I'll just look at this one real quick while I'm out here. It's making a nice shaped bale, good and tight. So let me keep going. All right, I'm just about done with this section of the field. This is the last half. The volume is definitely down because a lot of hay is on the ground, matted down. And like I said, I just like to get this stuff off of here. So far, so good. Hopefully this grass will come back to some extent. Maybe I'll get a second cut, I don't know. 3 round bales so far. Should be a lot more than that. If it were square bales, it would be. I've got to move down into this section here a little tighter. Let me come back. All right, so I'm semi-successful out here in getting this Teff grass up, whatever I had cut and knocked down. This is, it's been a long time since I've experienced difficulties in getting hay up like I have on this one. Usually it's mechanical breakdown, and it was back in the early days when I didn't have any backup equipment where I could turn to something else. But I think I made some pretty good round bales, just not very many of them, and then I had some trouble. So what I've encountered down through here and back up there in the corner is I can't seem to get it to take in the pickup. The pickup kind of jams a little bit, and I had the belt spin one time, and I think the problem right here is this is just so fine, you know, it's just like there's really nothing, it's hardly anything for the belts to grab onto, and then this stuff gets over top of the compression rack on the pickup. So there's one down there and this one right here, and then there's one way out there. So I think you know, like I said, it's kind of a mixed bag. The better part of this field on the other side of the barn, I got the hay off of. This down in here, we're done with this. I'm going to disperse what I got here with a tedder, and I might see if this greens up a little bit. You know, we'll see. And I may come back tomorrow and, you know, try the round baler again. But I won't say I'm frustrated, because I'm not. But I was glad to get off what I got. And this Teff grass, as I said in my kind of a Teff grass update, it can be great or it can turn to mush real quick, and that's exactly what happened here. So really the only thing I'm out of is my time and some seed, and I put some fertilizer on here, but not too worried about that expense. I may come back in here with Timothy in the fall. I'm thinking about maybe working over this field some more over the winter. It's still a little bit bumpy for my taste, and so I may not do anything with it this fall, and I may let this green up, and I may try to take a second cut. But I need to ponder that a little bit. And but all in all, it's been a good experience with Teff grass. I've had success before on a smaller scale, but I haven't had failure on as large a scale as I got right here. But you know, I don't sweat this kind of stuff or lose sleep over it. This is farming, and if you're you know, if you're a haymaker or any other kind of farmer, you know, sometimes it's your turn in the barrel, and this was our turn. So that's just kind of where I'm going to leave it. I'll probably do some follow-up on the field and on the getting the John Deere and the 335 on the 886 International. I got some things I want to talk about there. I won't roll it up into this video. So hope you enjoyed this. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, and we'll talk to you later.